Okay, today we are making akusak, Karela no akusak.
Okay.
Everyone loves my akusak.
What is that? Do you know what it is in
Yeah,
English?
I'll just show you. My son will tell you what it
I'll
is
put it on
called.
screen there, don't worry.
Yeah,
Bits
it's
of Gourd.
Karela. In Gujarati, it's called Karela.
Yeah.
But everyone likes the masala.
Not everyone.
No, but I'm not lying. From whatever, every time I make this, everyone asks me, please, can you make it for me, please? They give me order. I've gone to people's house to make this.
What are we doing first, Mum?
What I have to do, I peel the Karela very slowly like that. Not too much. I like to leave the spikes on. It's good for your body. So I just do it lightly like that. I've peeled it now, and I'm just going to cut the tips like that. Very small. Don't cut too much because this is very good for you.
What are you putting it in?
Cold water while I'm peeling the others. Okay, now I'm going to cut them. I've washed them. They're washed now, and I'm going to cut them in 3 pieces because you don't want them too big. You leave the seeds in, okay? Like this.
And you're cutting it to 3s?
Yeah, this one in 3 because it depends on the size. This will be 4 because this is huge. This is humongous. This is killer, look. Now we are going to boil it in
How long?
for 20 minutes because we don't want it too cooked because then I have to steam it
So
as well.
partly cooked 20 minutes
Yeah.
and on a medium-high heat.
Yeah, medium high. I want the seeds to come out itself.
So what are you going to do while that's boiling?
While that is boiling, I'm preparing the potatoes for the akushak.
Okay, so what are you going to do to prepare?
I have to peel them again gently. Karelas are done now, part cooked. They are boiled completely, and I'm going to put them in cold water.
Cold water, okay.
Yeah. With the potatoes are now washed.
Just put in cold water on that.
Yeah, because I don't want to burn. I have to take out the seeds
You've got those mum hands.
now. So once more again.
So you
Now
wash it twice now?
I'm going to take out the seeds quickly, like
Okay.
that.
Is it hard or is it easy?
No, very easy. Look.
Yeah. Make sure you're trained with the knife.
Yeah, like that.
Mum's been doing this for a long time. Yeah.
Yeah, don't use a knife if you're not comfortable. You can use your fingers.
You're just taking what? Just the middle bit out?
Yeah.
How do you know how much to take out?
It just comes out. It's really good. I love doing this bit. Look, it's the best.
So that's the inside.
That's the inside bit.
The
I'm
seeds.
going-
And what does the other bit look like?
This will look like this now. Look,
So you're aiming for things that are
like
hollow,
that.
yeah?
Yeah. Now I'm going to make the stuffing. Okay. We are going to put chana and lot. I put already one.
How much you put in?
Exactly 100 grams.
100
Chana and lot.
Yeah, chickpea.
The chickpea flour. It's really hard to say. Dana jeera powder.
Okay, so coriander, cumin.
2.5.
2.5 tablespoons
Yeah.
of Ghana jeera powder.
Yeah. Half a teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of haldi. 2 teaspoons of salt.
So what's this?
Jaggery.
And in Gujarati?
It's called Gourd. This thing is very good for Karela. This gives the kick to my special recipe. My mom's recipe, I love it. 1.5 tablespoon. This needs, because those Karelas are bitter. I also put a this is called the hing, which I can't say. My son will tell you what it is.
That's a potato.
Yeah, 1/4 of hing. I'm not using a spoon because my mom said this saak is well mixed with the fingers because the masala comes out really good. So now you make a center like that. This is the secret about my recipe. You go like that, make a like this, and I'm going to add some oil out. 3 tablespoons of oil. This needs oil. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Now you have to just mix it. Oh my God, this, you will see the difference. When I'm making this, I love making akusak.
Takes long,
It
right?
takes long, but it's the best thing I can ever make for anyone. I have to keep on adding water. I've got half a cup here,
Okay.
but I'll see how much I need. I will check because I don't want it to go too gooey. See, that's much water we need. We don't
So
need
what
that much.
consistency are we going for?
This is the texture it will look like. See, lovely.
Okay, so not too watery, but not too powdery.
Yeah.
In between, right?
Yeah. I'm just tasting the salt because we don't know. I think it needs a bit of jaggery. It's according to your taste. You put the jaggery. Yeah. This one I think it needed more. Now I have to quickly wash my hands. I have to show you what I'm going to do next. I'm getting the steamer ready while I'm stuffing the thing, okay?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter the heat, it can be that heat, yeah? I'm filling the potatoes and Karela out, okay?
See how we do it.
What you do? Whole potato like that. One slit in the middle. Like that.
Not all the way.
No. Like that. And then stuff it like that.
Let me get closer. Keep going.
Like that.
And how much you put in? Just.
You'll know. You can see. You'll
Use
have
your
to see.
intuition,
Yeah. Use your how you like the filling. I like it little less because then I'm going to cook it as well. So see, that's the consistency like that. Some people do it like this as well. They do it this way as well. But I only like one way.
Okay, one slit.
And then
you can get fancy and do it.
Yeah, you can do different types, but then it breaks. And I want my aku sak. I like it whole.
What does aku mean? It means like
Aku
whole.
means whole. I don't like it. Aku means whole. I don't like it broken. Some people just cut the potatoes in small. I don't like. They spoil the recipe.
Then it becomes mushy, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like
there it is. See, it goes
then
like
just
that.
lay it in your steamer
Yeah.
and you continue just stuffing them.
Yeah, then you go next. And the size of potato should be like this. Not bigger, not smaller.
Like a nice in between, right?
Yeah, that's why it's called aku sak. Filling the Karelas. I love making this sak. I love it. My mom was a passionate cook. She taught me this sak when I was 9. So you just go like that. Not
You're
too
9
much.
years old?
Yeah, this
No.
sak my mom taught me when I was 9. We're gonna make special green chutney. Oh my god.
So what should people do if they want to see that? They've got to subscribe. Right?
Yeah, they can subscribe. And my book is in there as well. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Link in the description.
Yeah,
Yeah. You took some time to write it, but it's there.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
there. My book is in there.
And everyone can use it.
Yeah, anyone
Yeah,
can use
it's
it.
free.
It's for free.
Whoa,
Oh,
Mum.
Everyone can use it. I'm so happy. Look, see, should be both ways. See now when they're cooked, this will come out the best curry ever. Because I steam it, it takes about 3 hours to do this curry for me.
3 hours?
Yeah, 3 hours. It takes long.
Right,
Preparation.
How you got steam? Oh, you got prep it.
Yeah. Now after this, we have to cook it as well again in
Yeah, then we got to
tomatoes.
make the curry, isn't it?
Yeah,
Now what you doing?
I'm covering it.
Cover it up. Okay, how long do you leave that for?
You'll know as soon as the potatoes are done. Just poke the potatoes.
So what, it's like roughly 15 minutes maybe?
15 minutes check, yeah?
Yeah.
Otherwise you don't want gooey potatoes. I'm checking the Karelas are done. Whoa.
So just check your potatoes are
See
soft.
that? Oh my god, they're done.
That's just gliding in.
Look. Perfect. And even the masala is done. Look. It's done so nicely. Look. And nothing is broken. This is called aku sak. That's the reason it's called aku sak.
What was it next?
We are doing preparation for the Vagaar of aku sak. This much tomatoes.
Okay, so 1 cup of tomato.
Yeah. And 1 fresh tomato.
Okay, 1 cup tomato, 1 fresh tomato. And what you're going to do, you're going to
Blend it, yeah. Blend it always. 3 tablespoons of oil. Make sure the oil is hot. And now we can put in our spices. 2 teaspoons of rye. 1 dry red chili. And cover it. When you hear the popping side, I'm going to put the hing.
see that?
Yeah. See? It's making a popping sound. Can you see? Guys?
Yeah, we can hear it.
Yeah, I'm mixing it so.
Make sure you give it a little stir.
Half a teaspoon of hing. See?
Yep.
Dry methi is always on medium heat, otherwise you'll burn. And now I'm adding my tomatoes in. Can you see to make that noise?
Really hot.
Yeah, can you see? Now I'll add in my salt, chili powder, haldi, and I'll show you how much I'm adding. Teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of haldi, and chili you have to put according to your taste. We can eat hot, but I want you to put how much you want. 1 teaspoon of chili, little bit of dhana powder. That's it. Every time you've been watching Chef Muni, watch how my Vagaar is. Look, I've got consistency of my Vagaar. That's why my saaks, all my saaks, my dal all taste lovely. Because I've got this. Look at the colors, you can see. See the rye. Whoa, you can see everything. Now I'm going to add in my Karela and batata. It's called aku batata no shaak. Slowly, because this is very, very hot.
You don't want it to splash.
I put it with my hand. I do it like that slowly. I'll do it slowly
Okay.
like that. Now, you do not mix it with a spoon. That's called aku sak. Don't mix it. You go like that.
You want it to stay whole.
This
hence
is
the
called
name.
aku sak. The name of the sak is aku sak.
Yeah, and we don't waste, right?
Because this is the main masala. Look at the masala, my God. I've added 2 tablespoons, big ones, of water. Look.
Now what do you
And
do?
I'm going to leave it on number 4 and I'll let it cook on slow heat. Cook it for 20 minutes. The Karela and batata is done now. No mixing. Remember I told you do not mix the saak. That's why it's called aku saak. I'm going to taste my Karela and batata now. Yeah, I can't wait, man. Look at the masala. Look. Oh my boy, look at it. I can't wait. Whoa. Now I'm going to try my saak. Look at when I cut it. Whoa, look at this. This is it, how it should look. Can you see the filling? Yeah. Oh, cut this as well. I can put it in my mouth, otherwise I won't be able to wait. Whoa. Can't wait. I'll eat like this because it's... Oh my boy.
How good is it?
Steamed perfectly. I can't wait. I can't wait. Look at the Karela. Look at the bit. What is it called?
Bitter gourd.
Bitter gourd. Oh God, it's really like bitter gourd.
Out of 10?
10 out of 10. Let me give you a bite to
You
try.
said that so far to all your dishes. Is it 10 out of 10?
It is 10 out of 10. I'm not joking. You can imagine it's done 3 hours cooking. 40 minutes putting it in the saucepan, steaming it. Who wouldn't say this curry is so good? I'll give you a small bite, you'll love it. Okay, Ma, I'm giving my baby. Whoa. Respect.
Oh, man. I'd subscribe to you. That's it.
Thank you.
Don't want to say anything?
Just try my recipes, and my book is in there.
Yeah. Free.
Free of
Who's
charge.
going to give you for free in this world, eh?
No, I give for free.
And that's it, man. Chef Muni.
Thank you so much. Bye.